Welcome to my books tutorial. Today we are going to discuss the most important types of GSTR for Indian businesses. GSTR 1, 2, 3B and 9. First of all, what is GST? As all we know, GST is nothing but Goods and Services Tax, which is an indirect tax, used in India, on the supply of goods and services. What is GSTR? GSTR is commonly known as Goods and Services Tax Return. It is a document that includes all the information of your sales, purchases, input tax and output tax. Input tax is paid tax on purchases, and output tax is collected tax on sales. There are sequentially 11 GSTR, starting from GSTR 1 to GSTR 11. Keep in mind, not all the GSTR are universally applicable to everyone. Some of the GSTR are only associated with a specific transaction or sectors. Here we are going to dive deeper for GSTR 1, GSTR 2, GSTR 3B and GSTR 9. Let's start with GSTR 1. As per the definition, GSTR 1 is a return of outward supplements. In simple terms, it is a sales or services made by us. Such as, what you sold, to whom you sold, at what price you sold, where you consumed it, did you charge any GST? If charged, then what's the amount? And much more. GSTR 1 are filed by all registered persons, i.e. all normal taxpayers. GSTR 1 will cover each and every transaction you do on sales side of your business. The due date of GSTR 1 to file is on 11th of every month. And if you are a small business owner, and if your turnover is under 1.5 crores annually, you can file them on quarterly basis. Remember, GSTR 1 is a return of reporting. There is no necessity to pay any taxes under GSTR 1. You just inform the government about your type of sales you made. The GSTR 1 must be filed by all taxpayers. The next is GSTR 2. If a taxpayers file GSTR 1, then they should file GSTR 2. GSTR 2 includes all the detailed purchase made by you, or the services received by you. It is a monthly tax return, showing the purchases you've made for that particular month. It is filed by all registered persons, that is, all normal taxpayers. Due date of filing GSTR 2 is 15th of every month. Similar to GSTR 1, GSTR 2 can also be paid on quarter, if your annual business turnover is less than 1.5 crore. GSTR 2 is also a return of reporting. You just report to the government about your purchase or service type you made. Now let's jump to GSTR 3B. If a taxpayers file GSTR 1 and 2, then it's mandatory to file GSTR 3B. GSTR 3B is the return of tax payment. It is also a monthly return. The government gets the money through this GSTR 3B. All registered persons, that is, normal taxpayers should file this GSTR 3B. The due date to file this GSTR 3B is on 20th of every month. The QRMP, which is called as Quarterly Return Filing and Monthly Payment of Taxes Scheme, allows the taxpayers to file GSTR 3B on a quarterly basis, and pay their tax every month. And the most important GSTR is GSTR 9. GSTR 9 is an annual return. It includes all the information of GSTR 1, 2, and 3B. Since it is annual return, which is filed once in year, you are going to summarize each and every transaction made on your business. So, it is considered to be a huge process. GSTR 9, is filed by all registered normal taxpayers. The due date to file GSTR 9 is 31st of every December. For example, you have carried your business activities from 1st of April 2020 to 31st of March 2021. Here for the whole mentioned year, all your business activities must be filed on 31st of December 2021. Who should not file GSTR 9? All the regular taxpayer registered under GST and having an annual turnover of more than 2 crore should file GSTR 9. The only category of GST registered entities not required to file GSTR 9 filing are input service distributors, casual taxable persons and non-resident taxable persons.